Hey guys, Mr.T here, just doing a quick, what could you say, fashion haul video from my favourite store, Urban Street Gear, USG in the Maya Centre. You might want to head over there if you want to get on my level sort of thing. Tell the owner, Pat, Mr.T sent you, he's a good guy. What do we got on feet? We got the Ambush X Nike Dunk High. I think they're called the Flash Lines, but that's not what we're here about. We are here for what we got today, which was these little suckers, which are the Air Jordan 4 Retro. The label says black, fire red, cement grey, but the sneakerheads are going to call it the Bred Reimagined. Why Reimagined? Because they're not the same material as the original shoes that came out with this colour combination. These are all leather, whereas before they were nubuck, so that sort of fluffy material. You'll notice from the box, this is not the normal box that they come in, I'm guessing because it's meant to be reimagined. The cement is on the top and the black is on the bottom, whereas normally it's the cement on the bottom, black on the top. I also got a pair for my son here. Let's give them to Leo. What's he doing? He's just watching TV. Leo, do you want these? No? Oh, that's a shame. They're yours now anyway, mate. So the kids' ones were 110, I think. And these are 300. So just looking at them straight up. Nice texture to that tumbled leather. This still feels pretty hard, but not as bad as the recent Jordan 1 High black and whites the previous video was on. Comes with a little black hang tag there. This particular panel is pretty bad, but this one's got, you can see there's a little give to it there. So this around the bottom is nice. That's not so good. And the lace area is not so good too. Here you've got little grey lace cages, I would say. These seem to come fully laced up, although I'm going to redo them because I'm going to give it a spray, whereas your Jordan 1s only come with the bottom laces in. We have a quick look around. You've got the Nike Air, not the Jordan symbol on the back. This is kind of, I've never had Jordan 4s before. This doesn't feel very nice, but that must be part of the design. It's just this crappy plastic there. Crappy plastic here. There's the window to the heel air unit. Jordan 4s have a air unit in the front too, around about this area, but obviously you can't see it, there's no window to it. Have a quick look at this pair. Well, the joints there are pretty good. Light tag on the front, the tongue. Here there's some pretty bad glue stains along the edges. You've got little leather peak here. People used to think that that was a sign that these were fake, but not these days. That's part of the manufacturing process. You can see the leather is quite thick though, especially here. You can see the cut of the leather along here under the plastic sort of arm. It's quite nice. It's nice there. Just the texture's not the best. Put that one down. Check out the other pair. Oh, hands on me. Screen. So yeah, around the back, a little bit of glue stains there around the edges. This right pair is a little better at the front, it looks like. Yeah, it doesn't stick so much out on the front. There's a little leather peak again. So yeah, you've got a middle panel that's really quite nice. It's got nice softness and give to it, but the outer edges and the lace area, the leather is quite hard and cardboardy. I'll be unlacing these really soon so I can spray it. I might do another video of that. How do I do that? But yeah, there's the little unboxing and review for you of the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Also grabbed a few, what do we get, 9 pairs of these Nike socks. He had them recently, $30 per set of 3. 3 and 3, I got 9. So yeah, there's my little haul for this Saturday. Hopefully I see you in the next video. Cheers.